Hakuna Pets introduces the Super Tough Pet Door. To install. Step 1. Using a tape measure, measure the height from underside of the pet's stomach to the floor as shown here. Once measured, mark this height on the door or panel using masking tape or similar. Step 2. Cut out the supplied template along the indicated cut lines. Next, line up the bottom of the template with the height marked on the door or panel. Using a pencil, trace the outline onto the door or panel, like shown here. Step 3. Drill a hole in each inside corner of the traced template with a minimum of 10mm drill bit. Step 4. Using a reciprocating jigsaw, cut out the opening, cutting along the pencil outline, as shown. Step 5. Place the tunnel piece and frame into opening. Secure with screws. Select the correct screw size for your installation. Standard doors 45mm, security screens 12mm, and large doors and walls 58mm. Then place on the screw caps. This completes the installation. To install into security screens. Step 1. Take the measurements needed to cut the opening by following steps 1 to 3 of previous installation instructions. Step 2. Using an angle grinder, cut out the opening. Step 3. Place the front and back frames into the opening. Secure with screws. This completes the installation. Operation. Please note, the pet door opens freely on both sides of the door. To lock, slide the locking slides towards the center as indicated here. This is the Super Tough Pet Door.